I'm going to do a quick little review. I just picked up some of this detail spray from StreetSpeed717. Want to try it out here on the BMW. So what I'm going to do is just do half the hood with it, and we'll see how good it looks. Man, that feels really good too. It's so smooth, it goes on great. Man, it's like a glass finish. Alright, so right now I just sprayed it on half the hood, and man, you can see that shine. See how clean it is compared to this side over here. This side's a little darker, a little more muted, dirty. But man, this is a clean shine. Check it out, StreetSpeed717. You can get this detail spray from InShane Designs. I'll leave a link down in the description. And right now what they're doing is if you order one of these today, it's 20 bucks. You get 5 entries to win, 5 times entries for every $5 you spend. So that's 20 entries to win a Lamborghini Gallardo. If you guys are interested in checking that out, make sure you click the link below.